Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Jordan 1 Zoom in this red suede colorway. But before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I decided to pick up the Air Jordan 1 Zoom in this red suede colorway. Honestly, I really like the Zoom models. I don't know why so many people are hating on them. I think it's a Jordan 1 silhouette. It's more comfortable and the retail price is lower. Like, how can you go wrong with that? Like, you can't. I don't know, I don't get the hate behind the Jordan 1 Zooms. I understand it's not the OG silhouette, but it's pretty close, and in some ways even better. I saw these here, red suede, and I was like, I have to get these. And bam, the Jordan 1 Zoom in this red suede material. This thing is straight fire. I'm telling you right now, do not sleep on the Jordan 1 Zooms, especially this colorway. I actually find all the hate around the Jordan 1 Zooms pretty funny because we saw it with the Racer Blues. That is a pair I did cop at retail on release day, and no one liked them. Everyone was talking crap, saying, oh, it's a Zoom, it's not as good as the normal Jordan 1s, and now that shoe's sitting at 400 plus. Now, since then, the other Zoom colorways, to be honest, just really haven't been that impressive. Until this one, a solid red suede upper Jordan 1. This is so sick. Like, come on, you got some hints of black in this like nylon type material. It does have like a foam underneath it, same material as this heel section up here, and you guys can see that foam. So thinner materials but cushioned, so lightweight, comfortable. Like I said, you got the Zoom technology in the bottom. Now, another cool thing about the Zooms is that they are coming with recycled material. Like, look at the outsole. You guys can see the Nike recycled material. Solid red outsole, white midsole. Your tongue runs up red up until the top half where it is black. You have a black tab. And you have the Zoom Air logo in red. You have your cut tongue and lining. Nice padded material on the inside. Now the Zoom models aren't coming with extra laces, so this one comes with just the black laces. Now I think some white laces will look really good on this colorway, so I'm gonna grab some white laces and throw them on the sneaker and show you guys how that looks on the on foot portion of this video. So with that being said, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
Working hard late nights, knowing that I'm gonna make it. I work hard for my success and I don't never take shit. I cook up inside my room because my house don't got a basement. I'm always ahead, I promise you, we not adjacent. I had a vision for this music, I said that I would pursue it, and I know that I'd regret it if I ain't decide to do it. I know I'ma be the greatest, it's gonna take some time to prove it. A lot of people get complacent at the top and then they lose.
High blast off, diamonds dancing, call it salsa. I got hot sauce, scoring crying on a skirt off. It's a push toss. I got K's but no take K. Free that crit, ayy. I got youngins with them big flames, blow your damn brain. Her name Diamond, I'm the rock, Muhammad Ali high talk. Sippin' walker on your block with this rocket in my sock. Ain't no police when it knock. She call me Jack, I'm in her box. I feel like Jackie when I rob, I feel like Jack.
I hope my angels watching over me, cause demons trying to break me. Lord, you know I'm strong, but I just need some extra strength, please. People talk about mistakes I've made like those are all that make me. I'd have a million streams if they played my songs how they play. No squares in my circle, yeah, I only fuck with real ones. It's crazy how the snakes are people that we thought were real ones. I got friends that ain't aggressive, I got friends that's toting steel guns, and I can't chase no hoe even though I just wanna feel some.
Bam. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe on feet. My opinion, it looks even better on foot. Now, let's get into resell. So, the Jordan 1 Zooms honestly haven't had really any resale besides the Racer Blue colorway. This shoe retailed at $140 and currently is going for around $150, so about 10-20 bucks over retail. Now I wouldn't be surprised if this shoe in 6 months from now is going for over $200. There you guys have it. I really like this shoe. I like the colorway, I like the suede material. I think people are sleeping on the Zooms. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.